how to borrow money from Halifax. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can borrow money from Halifax, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, to borrow money from Halifax, you can go to the Halifax official website, which is halifax.co.uk, and then after you do this, you can just tap the menu option from here. So when you tap the menu option from the Halifax website here, you'll find different sort of options where you can see borrowing. So go to the borrowing tab. Now over here under borrowing, you should be able to say what do you want to borrow for car finance or for loans. So let's say you want a car loan, for example, you can select car loan option here, and then you should be able to see as to why you want to do it. So you need to have a Halifax bank account, by the way. So create your bank account and then apply for the car loan, and then you should be able to get those loans fulfilled. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually get the loan from or borrow money from Halifax. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.